Here's how to hide your Instagram following and followers list. Now, if you're on Instagram on your iPhone or Android, and you don't want anyone to see who your followers are or who you are following, there's really one option to be able to do this. You can see on here, I can tap on followers, see all of the followers, and same with following. And even if I go to a different account, let's say UNC basketball, I can tap on following and see every single account they are following in addition to their followers. Now, the only option you have in terms of hiding that is to tap on your profile at the very bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now that we're into the settings, you need to scroll down because what you're looking for specifically is the abilities to switch this back to a personal account if you have a business account. So if you already have a personal account, you're good to go, but you can see business tools and controls here. Now, once I tap on that and switch to account type and switch to personal account, you'll be able to see once I switch to a personal account, I'll be able to hide all of that information. Again, if you don't see this, then you already have a personal account and you don't need to do these steps, but just hit switch. After you've done that, you'll be able to see after basically going to your profile again, you need to then tap on those three lines at the very top right because again, all of these are still visible. So tap on the three lines to get back to your settings. After you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down and you're going to choose account privacy here. Now, the only way to be able to hide the following and followers list is to set your account to private. So if I turn this on, I can hit switch to private here. And by going through this process and switching to private, I can always just tap on the profile and no one will be able to see the following and followers list here. Now, keep in mind, they will see it if they currently follow your account. Unfortunately, there's no real other way to do this. Essentially, you need to switch your account to private and make sure they don't follow you. Then they won't be able to see any of that information.